All right, so today I'm going to be showing you how to actually mask an object. Let's take, for instance, the way I do tutorials and some other videos like this, and uh, you want to actually put the person in a cycle or any kind of shape at all that you want. But for the purpose of this one, we're going to be using the circular shape to illustrate. So come with me as I take you on a ride. So the very first thing you need to do is to launch your Premiere Pro software just like this. Can you see? So right now, as you can see, we have actually launched the Premiere Pro software. So the next step is to quickly click on a particular folder where we are going to be importing our video files from. So let's go to the video files here and then import a particular video of our choice. ARG, you see any ARG? Okay. Okay, for the purpose of this one, we're going to be using these already made clips that are here. So I'll just drag this water side to the workspace like this. Can you see now? Then to mask the video now, you still have to import another one like this. For the purpose of this one, let me just import this one on green for illustration. This is something like this. Then I will now take the playhead let to this level and then just mark out as usual, just like I explained in previous tutorials. Then I will now drag. Then the next step now is to drag this person, the speaker now, that you can see now. Let's say when you recorded the tutorial, this is the screen record and this is you speaking. You just drag like this and then you overlay it. Now can you see? So after overlaying it, you're supposed to sync, but as in this point in time, we just need to go straight to the masking process. So you now come to effects effect controls here. You click on the one that you want to mask. You see opacity. You see a whole lot of options here. You see opacity here. Can you see opacity? Then you now click on it like this. Immediately it will put that particular video inside the box, inside the shape. Then you now adjust slightly to his face like this. Can you see now? Then if you want to move the entire circle, you can just click outside like this and then you highlight on the video and move gently to where you want to place it. So we still just need to adjust the size slowly like this. Let's say to this point. Can you see now? Okay, it's okay now. You still have to make it large to see if it is too big or too small. Now if you play it, you see everything will continue to go simultaneously. Can you see now? So this is just how simple it is to actually mask a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Most especially those of you who are doing tutorials and a whole lot of explainer videos. It is advisable to do something like this to add professionalism to your production. If you find this useful, you can just give it a like button and subscribe for more awesome content like this.